ya Gor Mahia iria neo nguthi gikombe-ini kia ligi ya guku bururi-ini KPL ni hotete Mbĩtĩka ciayo cia mbere mashindano-ini ma mwaka uyu ma Kenya Premier League. Ni thutha wa kirabu giki kuhota kirabu kia Ulinzi Stars na bao imwe gwa kifogo, bao iria igiritio ni muthaki Kevin Juma na kuongerera timu ino pointi ithatu na riu ikihingia pointi inya na kurugamira itarini ria namba 2 hamwe na timu ya Posta Rangers, Nzoia Sugar na Tusker FC.
I think our main undoing today has been sharpness in our attacking third. We created a few opportunities, but we were not able to fully utilize those particular opportunities. So that's my area of concern heading into this FIFA break and, of course, starting preparations for the next match against Bandari in Mombasa.
It's very good. Playing Ulinzi is never easy. We know, especially the away game, is always going to be a fight. You know, last season we drew this game 1-1 away to Ulinzi, and we came in. You know, there was 14 games last year. We didn't pick up maximum points, and we said, can we take those draws, turn them into wins? Can we take the losses, turn them into at least draws? So today's one of those days. Last year it was a point, this year it's 3 points. It was a